Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the essentials. Your account must be established and active. Once done, confirm your name, profile photo, and regional settings match your real location so Marketplace recognizes you. Next, enable two-factor authentication and verify a phone number or email to reduce automated blocks and enable support pathways. These steps prevent common verification failures and speed up resolution if Facebook flags your account. Now that prerequisites are addressed, move directly into changing Marketplace availability and resolving. You now work through access and verification. First, test Marketplace on both desktop and the Facebook mobile app. Differences can expose where the block occurs. Then go to Settings, Account Status, Commerce Eligibility to inspect specific restrictions and any required actions. If Facebook asks for ID, upload a clear government photo and a matching profile photo. If you represent a business, include registration documents. Once uploaded, wait patiently for the review cycle and use the support inbox to follow up if the automatic response stalls. Finish by creating a minimal, compliant listing. Good photos, accurate title, price, and local pickup enabled to show active seller behavior. Once posted, Marketplace often returns. If you remain blocked, make sure to clear browser cache, try a different device or switch to mobile data to rule out IP issues, and avoid VPNs during verification. If problems persist, submit a concise appeal including a photo of your ID and screenshots of errors. Explain exactly what you changed, and request manual review to conclude the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.